Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this video, if you're struggling to make international payments, subscribe to service or shop online, then you need a virtual card. Today I will show you 6 of the best international virtual cards in 2025 and how to get on for free step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Before that, you just need to understand what actually is virtual card. A virtual card is a digital debit or credit card used for online transactions. It works like a normal card with a number, expiry date and CVV, but lives on your phone or browsers. And the benefit included like safer payments, easy to manage, and ideal for freelancers, travelers, and digital businesses. So first virtual card I'm talking about in this video, that's called Wise, formerly TransferWise, offers multi-currency account with a free virtual card. The key feature, you will get that hold and convert 50 plus currencies, then use the virtual card instantly once verified, then relax exchange rate, low fees. And how to get it? The process is really simple. You just need to be registered here. The sign up at wise.com, then verify your ID and order your virtual card from the dashboard. It is ideal for international freelancer and remote workers. So next one is Payoneer. So Payoneer is widely used by freelancers, especially on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can request a Payoneer MasterCard virtual card once your account is funded. So basically, the key feature you will get in here actually, that is multi-currency support like USD, Euro, CVP, and direct payments from freelancing sites will be get in that virtual card, and supports global withdrawals and online purchases. How you can get it? It's like you just need to create a free account from that place. You just need to click over here to the register and then verify yourself and visible payment, and then actually you can easily apply for virtual card inside the dashboard. The process is actually really simple. Now let's talk about the Revolt. Revolt is available in Europe, US, Australia, and many more countries actually. Let's click to the accept all, and it offers free virtual debit card plus advanced budgeting and analytics tools. Also, the feature you will get like support is pending in 150 plus currencies, disposable virtual card for one-time use, and mobile app controls and security. And the get started, you will get like download Revolt app or create your account through your browser, and then verify your identity and create your free virtual card instantly. The process is really simple. Also here you can see they have personal options and the business one. You can choose whatever you feel you are convenient with that one. So I'll provide the card, so you just need to click over here and you just need to join the Revolt and then go virtual, and like available on all plans like virtually intense trivial, and always losing your cards. Go virtual and never worry about misplacing them again, just link them. So it is an amazing one and one of the most popular one in that list. Now let's talk about the next platform, that's called Skrill. It is one of the famous platform also. So here you can see this is the platform called Skrill.com. Skrill is a digital wallet that now offers virtual prepaid MasterCards. It is easy to top up and shop worldwide. The feature you will get here is global availability. Like here you can see your complete payment solutions. You can pay online through this one, you can send money, also you can freeze money, and you will get loyal rewards. And also you can connect the virtual card with crypto and fiat, and it works on most online platform. So how you can start the setup to get this virtual card? That for a reason, you just need to visit on Skrill.com, and then you just need to be register yourself in here, and then you just need to be verify your identity. and then create a virtual card under card section. So it is an easy one, so I hope you can do it yourself. If you need any help, you can comment me on the comment box. So now let's talk about the next one called Ant26. But the thing, like the drawback we have, that is it is only available in Europe only. So if you're from Europe, then this part is for you. So basically here Ant26 is fully digital European bank with built-in virtual cards. The key feature you will get here, that free virtual Mastercard with every account, then instant freeze, unfreeze options, and no hidden fees, equivalent for online subscription. So here you can see the bank you will love, BankSafe, and invest in one beautify simple app trusted by millions. You just need to click over here, open bank account, and you just need to be open a bank account through Ant26. And how could you will get this? Like, you just need to be visit on Ant26 app or browser and sign up and verify yourself and access virtual card from the app. So it is so much easy process, you can do it for yourself also. Now let's talk about the next one, and the last one is Jile Bank. Jile Bank is great for US based user or businessmen. Offers virtual Visa cards that work worldwide. The feature you will get here, like you can see they have the features. So you can see they provide virtual cards. So the feature, like no monthly fees, offers virtual Visa cards that work worldwide, and you can create multiple virtual cards here, and it is ideal for managing team or business expenses through these options. And the easy step to get the virtual cards is really simple. You just need to be visit on jile.usa or US, and then you just need to be sign up, click through this one, and then link your bank or fund your wallet and generate a free virtual card through these options. It is an easy process, you can do it yourself if you try once. So if not, then don't forget myself, you can ask me on the comment box. I will give you whole things in video again and post it YouTube for you. So let's give a bonus one that's called privacy.com. It is on like US only, but it is one of the popular one in USA. Privacy.com. Let's hit enter and you will get that. Privacy.com lets you generate disposable virtual cards, portable real banking info, perfect for one-time purchase subscription. How to get it? You just need to sign up and link bank account and create virtual card instantly. The step set spending limit through this 1 year. You can see what are virtual cards you will get. You just need to click to this one and you will get whole things in here. You just need to read it properly before you start. It is an amazing one, you can use it. I will suggest you. So choosing the right card is really important. Like if you're a freelancer or international user, go for Wise or Payoneer. If you live Europe, then try Revolut or Ant26, these two. Or like for business, you can use Jile Bank or Payoneer. This is the Jile one and this is the Payoneer. And also for extra privacy, you can go with privacy.com or Revolut disposable cards. So although check fees, monthly transaction, currency and conversation, and supported countries, accepted currencies, virtual cards are the future of online banking. It is secure, fast and global. Smash the like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more tech, freelancing and money tips. Comment below which card will you try first.